off the chart. Let's make pizza muffins.
I'm using tortillas for my crust. I'm gonna add those into my muffin tin after they're lightly oiled. Be sure to place the oiled side down. That way they'll get nice and golden brown and crusty inside those muffin trays. I use the extra pieces to firm up the base. I'll add in some cheese and tomato sauce. Yes, it's from a can and I'm not ashamed. I was lazy tonight. Add in your favorite toppings and load it up with some extra cheese. These pizza muffins make great snacks and they are so quick and easy to make, just delicious. Homemade pizza snacks with store-bought everything. I sprinkle a little bit of oregano on them to finish them off. Be careful because contents are hot. Enjoy your pizza snacks.
See? Hot. Oh! Whoa! Boom! I burned myself and I don't care.